In this video, I will introduce you to the procedure of pole mounting an outdoor AP using an angle-adjustable mounting bracket. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation. If the installation position is high, only professionals wearing protective gear can perform installation. Determine the installation position of the AP on the pole and use hose clamps to secure the base plate on the pole. Use an M6 inner hex torque screwdriver to loosen the screws on the hose clamps to open them. Lead the hose clamps through the square holes on the base plate and secure it to the pole. Tighten and close the hose clamps. Use an inner hex torque screwdriver to tighten the screws on the hose clamps. Use 4M4 multiplied by 14 hex socket screws to fasten the AP mounting bracket to the AP. Remove the topmost screw from the base plate. Hang the AP mounting bracket onto the base plate, and then tighten the screw until the screw passes through the hole of the horizontal scale plate. The screw should not be too tight. Loosen the M6 screw in the vertical direction. Adjust the AP's angle in the horizontal and vertical directions based on the scale plate. And then tighten the M6 and M8 screws. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.